We know that this is a bipartisan issue, but we also know the political realities of the world we live in, and it's extremely polarized. The way we talk about it is this is going to help farmers reduce their input cost and save them money, revitalize rural communities, and it's going to increase farmers' resilience.
I do think that if you are the people who can make a change, well, by God, now's a good time. I mean, the world needs it, the planet needs it, the farmer needs it, the soil needs it.
So I gotta do it right, in the right way, so that our future generations can have a hope, can continue on to carry that legacy for the human race. That's what I believe in.
The power of entertainment, the power of story.
Regeneration.
Power of soil, the power of agriculture, but the power together is far more important than anything.
Regenerative agriculture works. We need to use regen ag, agroecology. We need to grow organic because that helps the earth heal. We care for our earth mother. We care for our grandchildren. We care for the future that we leave our grandchildren. We care because we are farmers. Power to the peasants.